Hi guys! In this video I'll show you how to create this kind of a shadow text effect in Photoshop. First, let's type the text we need. We are going to type the text letter by letter. First, type the last letter of the word and then duplicate that letter to the number of letters in the word. Let me do it by duplicating each letter and typing it. Then place the letters in order. After it's done, add a mask for each and every letter. Then choose Gradient tool and take the black and white gradient. Click on the right corner of the letter and drag it to the left. Repeat this for each and every letter. After this process is done, next, let's place the text. Place the letter on top of each other to get the expected result. Take your own time and place it. Let me erase some of the parts of the letters. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Photoshop tips and tricks. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.